SCP-682 just broke out at Gate B. I want all available helicopters and MTF units at Gate B now. I repeat, SCP-682 is out of the facility. All available helicopters and MTF units to Gate B now. We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to board the nearest helicopter or enter the nearest blast shelter immediately. We were unable to detonate the warheads for unknown reasons. All helicopters and MTF units go back to Gate B immediately. Capturing SCP-682 is now our #1 priority.